Okay, now we're going to record the total and ridiculous incompetence of the guy that tried to fix this truck. This truck was originally, the problem was the neutral sensor switch on the neutral safety switch on the transmission. Automatic transmission. So he decided, the guy that, this is the neighbor, he's not the one that did this, he bought it from this guy after the guy gave up on it. It's a what year truck?
01.
It's an 01
Ford Ranger XLT.
Ford Ranger XLT. It's a nice truck. Only has 79,000 miles on it. So this guy decided on fixing it. What's the first thing he did with that transmission?
I don't know the first thing. All I know is he said the neutral safety switch was the problem.
Okay, so the neutral safety switch was the problem. He decided on monkeying with the neutral safety switch somehow.
And he takes the transmission out.
He takes the transmission out. He basically takes it partially apart. So we don't know why. We have no idea. No one can even fathom this. But for some reason, he decided on thinking that the other problem was maybe the fuse box. As you can see over there, the fuse box is all those wires. That's because he cut every wire on the bottom of the fuse box. That fuse box that you see with the wires there is the new, different fuse box. The one he bought from the junkyard. The neighbor here, Ed.
He didn't cut them. He got them out.
Oh, he pulled them out somehow.
So they were all just 40 wires sticking up in the air.
40 wires sticking up in the air. And he pulled all the wires out of the fuse box. To make matters worse, we have no idea why again. He removed, what's that? Here, put this, grab the camera. Grab the camera and just aim it this way. Don't touch the screen.
Aim in what direction?
Aim it the way you see it. What you see is what you're recording.
Oh, I see, huh? Okay, the throttle body, you can see that little blue thing there with 4 bolts. He took that off for some reason. He takes off both front fenders.
Both fenders.
With the liners. He takes off
the grill.
The grill.
The lights.
And the headlights.
The hood. Huh? The hood.
Oh yeah, takes the hood off also. And he takes after he gets the transmission out, then he partially disassembles it so that he can't figure out how to put it back together.
Let's go see where is it?
In the back.
He took the plastic shrouds off the fenders as well, didn't he?
Yeah, the plastic inner liners, yes, And then here is the transmission, what's left of it, and the parts for the transmission here on top. There's a torque converter also, and there's the drive shaft. And so
what are these other parts here? These plastic parts?
Those have something to do with the front fenders.
He removed those too.
And so it was a really nice truck. Let me take a side picture of the whole truck. Well, there you can see the thing pretty well. It's got this nice topper on it. The brand of the topper is Swiss. It's got the engine has a 3-liter V6. It's a really nice truck if it weren't for all the stuff this guy did to it.
Except for that one single rust hole in the back.
The what?
Oh, that one single rust hole in the back, but it looks like it was a little one.
Yeah, that right there at the back fender. That's really the only body issue on the truck.
And that looks like because he hit a card or something.
No, it just salt's what it was.
Yeah, but no, there's a small dent there, so I'm assuming it might be collaborated with that. But that's just ridiculous. Part of your there's your shroud there. Go take a picture of the video of the
well,
shroud.
That's the inner fender liner laying over there.
Inner shroud.
Okay, here's the whole truck kind of at the side. You got a cement mixer there kind of in the road.
Did he take apart anything inside?
No. He took, he had got a flat tire, so he just put the spare tire on and put the spare tire right there. And so that's where it is right now. We've got one fender and the liner on, and second fender on, but no liner. And that's where it's at right now.
Just unbelievable incompetence to take apart pieces of the vehicle that have absolutely nothing to do with the transmission.
So anyway, it sold for a whole lot less money than what it should be.
Alright, let me hit stop there. Hit that square, red square.